Let's check in with a pro trader now and get some more trades. Joining us for that, Alan Nuckman, the chief market strategist at St. Paul Research. And you're taking a look at the seasonal trade for us, Alan.
Hi, Angie. Just want to remind everybody, as an old grizzled trader, that the summer stock season has meant holiday highs here in the past. So look for this market move ahead of the post 4th of July earnings season coming up.
What's happening with your WPI trade tracker with the plays you already have on the tape?
All right, current plays. We've got AAL, or option expiration for May, on Friday. It's the highest it's been since the end of March. We're shooting for that 100% target on some flight. And we've got lumber liquidators building a base, but it only has a few days left. June position. We've got the June gloom with Snap and Uber. We need some serious help, but we've got Verizon that's getting close to that 100% once again. And July, U.S. Steel, we took 50% profit there. We've got Snap and TME, which are struggling for now, but plenty of time. The August position we have is Intel inside. There's a gap above at 60, and again, that's 3 full months of time.
Tell us about your latest play, Alan.
All right, this week's trade trigger, HPE, Hewlett Packard Enterprises. So they divided up a few years back, and this is the enterprise side. This has doubled since October, so it's a momentum mover. It's got a PE of 14, so it is a very cheap stock in relative terms, which is about 1/3 less than the PE that we see of the S&P. So let's talk this stock. 2021 has been between 12 and 16, so it's been trading in that range. A breakout above the 16 level here targets 20. Now this stock back in 2018 was near that $20 top. Another important factor here is that it's down 7% over the last 3 years. So even though recently it's risen, in the last few years, it's essentially unchanged or negative. Compare that to the NASDAQ itself, which is up 100%. All right, the way to play, we're looking at the August $14 call. $14 is the halfway point of this range from 12 to 16. The August $14 call, 3 full months, and look for tech to come back.
What would be your trading day takeaways?
All right, trading takeaway number 1, 90 new. 90 is the new 100 when it comes to the level to keep an eye on in the dollar index. The dollar dive below 90 is a big deal, is very bullish, but we want to take a look at some of the other resource sectors and stocks. You're seeing them firm up. Gold is at 3-month highs and closing in on 1900, which is the halfway point of the drop from that 2020 top. Number 2, more whack-a-mole. Love to see it. Again, we saw VIX firmness last week, got up to, I think, 28 or 30, but now we're back below 20 once again. So giving up those gains, as we've seen many times, that we've seen a series of lower highs in the VIX, and every time it does pop, it gets beaten right back down. Number 3, the Tuesday tech turn. Aha! No tech downturn this Tuesday. So 2 consecutive Tuesdays we had toughness and a tumble in the tech sector, but not this week. So it's not going up significantly, but more importantly is it's not heading down. So what I want to see here is, if you look at technology, we've been trading between 13,000 and 14,000 in the NDX top 100. That targets 15,000 on a breakout up above, as we've seen every single time in market history, and that's 10% higher. So optimism wins.
Thanks for all of your trades, Alan.
Thank you.